Welcome to fall. And do you know what I love about fall is that type 3s make fall look good. You will not believe this collection that we have. It is fantastic, fabulous, and you can't wait to put it on your face. We have a beautiful fall color collection. Let me just show you. Right? You're gonna make this look so good. We're just gonna jump right in because I can't wait to put this on my eyeballs. Well, my eyelid, but close to my eyeballs. This is the wash that I'm gonna do, is this very neutral color. Gonna get both sides of the brush pretty saturated, and I'm just gonna cover the whole lid. And this will be really fantastic for blending in all the other colors. With this blending brush, you can't go wrong. Sometimes I actually just use this blending brush for all my eyeshadow colors. So, you know, you can always branch out and just say, I'm in a hurry, I'm just gonna use this brush. And it does wonderful things because it really does a great job at blending. I'm gonna move my hair a bit. Okay, now we're gonna go right into an angled brush, and I'm gonna use the olive color here. And I'm just gonna put it on the sides, give us a little bit of depth in here, and I'm just gonna kind of shimmy, shimmy, skirt, skirt right into the corner of my eye. And you can go as light as this, or you can go really dark and show some fantastic, sexy eyes. We're just gonna go medium because, well, I don't need sexy eyes right now. And it's at an angle, and I just do a kind of a little shape that's a wash here, and I use the angle part of this brush goes into the corner. So I'm working my way in, smudging while I'm going. The harder you push, the more color you're gonna get on your lid. So that's about right. And we're gonna go back in a little bit later with the same color just to kind of finish off with it. So it kind of looks like that, and you can see the two very distinctly different colors. So now I'm gonna go into this brush, and I'm gonna put this medium color on right here, this medium brown color. I'm gonna top it off a bit, and I'm gonna go right into the inside and work it out. Oh yeah, look at that workout. It may be the only workout I get all week. Moving that around. And it just blends really pretty. Now I love this color, and it's so fantastic, and luckily we have another color similar to it that has a little bit of pearl in it, so it's really gonna pop on that inside of the eye. I'm gonna use this brush, this medium brush, and right here has a little bit of pearl in it. So pretty, you're gonna love it. Right here, and you can see, oh, now it's coming together. Oh yeah. Love this color, especially for fall. It just adds a just a touch of fall to your already really great color, but it makes it pop. It kind of shines, it kind of shimmers, it gives it a little bit of life. And sometimes I feel like, oh, it's so gorgeous, let's add more green, because it's also gorgeous. Just want to kind of match the depths everywhere. There we go, looking good. Oh yeah. Here we go, more green. It's a lot of blending. But you know what? We just make fall look so good. You're welcome, fall. And I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight up here. Then I'm gonna go in with that special pearl color again. Add a little bit more, a little bit more. Take a peek, see if it's all even. I want to do even more green. Kind of really get a nice fall neutral eye with the dark green. Who knew it could happen? Here it is. Voila! What do you think? I think it's great. Now I have this really fantastic deep green pencil, eye pencil, and I'm just gonna go in, and I'm gonna start in this corner, kind of work my way in. There we go. On that side, I worked my way out. You know what else is really fun that I'm going to do right now? So I'm going to go back into that pearl color, which is really awesome. And I'm just going to dust this corner of my eye with it. It does like kind of this really cool optical illusion of where it makes your eyes a little bit bigger because that's how the light picks it up. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right there. There we go. Okay, so that's on. That looks good. I'm going to go right into the blush. Actually, yes, I'm going to go right into the blush and then I'll come back to the eyeshadow, make sure it's exactly where I want it. So the blush, I'm just going to add this really great fall color. It's kind of a peachy, warm, rusty loveliness. I can dance that right up the cheek. Okay, I think that's pulling in really good. I'm gonna just blend a little more in here on this side. Okay, we're there. We're ready for mascara. So this is a wonderful deep chocolate brown color. It's so fantastic. It's like a pretend black for us type 3s. So we don't wear black mascara, but this one, it's like wearing black mascara. Really separate those lashes. Oh, let's separate some more. Use our lash brush. Looking good. The nice thing with this mascara too is that you can add layers. So you can really get that thick, rich lash look with this mascara. So once this side dries a little bit, then you can go back in and do it again if you want. I don't know, let's see how it dries this first time and then if we can go back in. Sometimes with darker colors it's good to have a little more mascara on too. See, isn't that pretty? It just lengthens it so nicely. Layer 1. Let's do layer 2. Usually by the time you're done with your lashes and you finish this side's ready to go. It's nice and dry. Okay, that's looking pretty amazing. And then I'm gonna come down here and just dance on these little guys. There we have it. Now we're gonna get to that good part, the lips. I'm using this, it's the Bear, and it's just such a good neutral color for everything. And I'm not doing a hugely defined line. Just gonna kind of melt it together. I do have all my primers on, so this is gonna stay really nicely. And then this lovely fall color. And this is a pretty intense color. So I just kind of dap it on like that, rub it together. And now I'm all ready for kissing. After I put my lip lock on. Then I'm ready for kissing. But that's it. This is the fall look. What do you think? I think you could rock this look as well. So make sure you get to the Dressing Your Two store and get this collection because it's amazing. Everybody needs it for fall because, again, you make fall look good. You're welcome.